So basically, let's say you have your, like this is the page that I used to set this up, all right? So you go to the link and you buy Epic Squeeze. And I believe it is something that it's sold as a WSO. You know, it's a lot of marketers using it. I found, by the way, the conversion rates I get for opt-ins with these squeeze pages is really good. And again, it doesn't have to be, remember, you don't have to have anything terribly complicated. As I mentioned in the reference guide, what I did with mine when I was just starting out, I should say, it's not that I didn't know what I was doing. I thought I was going to be really clever because I found the HTML for this page and I just copied it and pasted it, and I'm kind of a tech geek, so I basically copied the Dollar Badass template. And this definitely converts, but you don't need anything this fancy at all to get conversions. You can do something this simple. And actually, hold on, refresh it. Yeah, I put this together in 5 minutes, and I'm going to show you how I did it. So basically what you do is you get Epic Squeeze, and you go to plugins, add new, and you install, you go to upload, and that's when you install the zip file. And then whenever you open up a new page inside of WordPress, you're going to scroll down to the bottom, and you're going to find this Epic Squeeze thing. And it's just the easiest thing in the world. You basically just make it active. You can choose your autoresponder. I'm going to get to that in a second. But basically, this is what I want to show you is so cool about this Epic Squeeze is that you don't even have to really deal with uploading or finding pictures. Like this picture that I used for this this beautiful woman here, I just did a search for beautiful woman. Actually, let me do one here. Beaches in Hawaii. Let's try that. So I do a search, and look at that. So I just click on this button, and then I go back up and I just click update. And now let's look at this page. And now look, I mean, I just had to click a button. It's amazing. And now then the actual text, all you have to do is just put whatever text you want up here. And, you know, learn scientific tricks to have any woman you want. You know, free, how to make $390 a day while snorkeling, whatever your call to action is going to be. If you have a free PDF, it could say, you know, free 32-page PDF explains blah blah blah. And I'm going to show you this. I'm actually going to delete this. I'm going to show you that in a minute. The decay option is very powerful. But again, I just want to show you. You update, and there we go. And yeah, you can change whatever you want. Now it's automatically going to create this box for you, and then you can also, this is another cool thing I like about it, you can change the box. Yes, let me in, get instant access. It creates a button for you. You can do a custom button if you want, and you can change the opacity. That's what I really like. You can make it solid. You can make it, as you can see right now, it's a little bit translucent, so you can see through it. You can customize it, and it's fantastic. There's also a lot of other stuff. When you order it, they have the instructions. You can it will keep track of your opt-ins for you. It can help you filter people by countries. It's a lot of cool stuff. But the point for now is that it's just that simple. I mean, you can literally, let's say I want to change it up and I want to go, let's say I want a rainforest background. Oh, that's kind of cool. Oh, no, leopard. How about that, right? I mean, you'll see all these great images and you'll be like, okay. You just update it. Boom. And then again, this is where the translucent thing comes in. You would say, okay, I can't see the tiger there, or the whatever that is, the leopard, cheetah. Update it. Now this is just, I think this is so great, especially if you're new, because I know a lot of people are intimidated by technology, but just, you know, just look at how easy it is to set up your own. Sometimes the picture thing doesn't work, but most of the times it does. And now you basically have your squeeze page ready to go. So now you're going to have, you have your domain. And basically what you can do also as far as pages goes, you can just create a separate page for each of your squeeze pages. The other thing you can do, this is just a WordPress tip if you're brand new, is you create the page, you give it a name, and then you can go to settings, reading, and you have an option of selecting your front page. So let's say I wanted to make this the front page for my site, Infinite Circle Solutions, which I will not keep very long. If I do that, then when people actually go to the front domain, then this will show up. And I'm going to get rid of that right now.